I don't know how well you can see it, but these are roses. So these rose branches are in a perfect circle around the sun. Like that's not the light catching them in a strange way. It's exactly how they're oriented. It's beautiful. It's something that I saw something like this when I was a kid, um, with a plum tree that was right underneath a street light. All of the branches made a perfect circle around the street light. This is a great example of that. Anyhow, that's it. Thanks for looking. God bless.